Danke bafowethu. Ngithi nginilethele ama-highlights nje amagoli but-ke ngeke alandelane bafowethu la magoli lawa yabo. So ngizozama but ukuletha maybe ayi-4 or so amagoli eMamelodi Sundowns. Leli shawa uMatthews igoli lokuqala, I mean siyambona ulishaye kahle kakhulu umfowethu, i-combination yeMamelodi Sundowns la bebadlala with ease. Uyambona no-goalkeeper u-frustrated, bayam-congratulate ukuthi kuzakora uMatthews because siyamazi ewugejagejile umfowethu but-ke I think la magoli ambalwa akwazi ukuwashaya. Yabona lana u-Allende umnikilo, I mean i-trapping first touch yakhe nje u-BT player first touch beat gone, goal. I-IQ level yakhe i-good, kuyabonakala ukuthi ikhona i-European football le-development yase-Europe bafowethu. And then nali le goal leli u-Williams, I mean he was not supposed to, yeah, disappointing from yena ukuthi bamshaye first pole. But-ke mawuyibheka kahle u-goalkeeper isikhathi esiningi ucabanga vele ukuthi uzolishaya le phezulu, but-ke only for wena ukuthi uhlakaniphe. I-striker ehlakaniphile or attacker ehlakaniphile imshaya la u-goalkeeper avale khona isikhathi esiningi ngepower, uyazi ukuthi ngeke alibambe u-goalkeeper, so kuzoba difficult. Good moment for bona amajita lawa ase-Nigeria, akwazile uku-create ama-opportunities a few. In fact baskwere kakhulu laphana ibhola, they could have scored 2 or 3. Mamelodi Sundowns defense yakhona questionable. Combination play, third goal, Khuliso Mudau, I mean what a performance bafowethu. Bheka ngabe uyashaya but uya-assista, uRecino-ke uyalishaya kalula. That was goal number 3 for ile Mamelodi Sundowns overall laphana. So a good play. Khuliso Mudau ube nama-moment anje bafowethu amaningi, amanye iMamelodi Sundowns wagejile but-ke man what a player and what a moment for yena bafowethu uRecino obviously ukuthi straight from ePortugal but-ke senalo igoli lokuqala bayamshaya laphana. Celebrate different. Khuliso Mudau, what a superstar, what a player bafowethu. Hhayi ngeke. Ngiyabona manje ukuthi why iMamelodi Sundowns ithi ayimthengisi, it is not for sale. But bayamfuna bathi he is not for sale. Yeah, but-ke it could have been anyone Nkosi yami olaphana okwazile ukuzitholela le opportunity. Like enough uRecino, he has something to smile about after i-red card yakhe laphana ku-first game yakhe overall. Lana-ke sibona igoli number 5, uMothiba uconnecta naye umfana laphana ubani uTsiki Ntshabeleng. First goal yakhe kuMamelodi Sundowns, into egude kakhulu bafowethu ukuthi Mamelodi Sundowns ikwazile ukushaya amagoli. I mean this is a good thing overall. Kushaya 5 goals, it's not a small thing, it's a big thing ukuthi bashaye 5 goals ematchini eyi-1 overall bona as iMamelodi Sundowns. Yambona ukuthi umfana ujabule kangakanani. Mothiba uyi-striker but-ke this time around ukwazile uku-assista, which is a good thing. uMothiba ubudlale e-Europe isikhathi eside. Umfana-ke uNtshabeleng yena ubuya e-America laphana ku-FC Dallas but uke wadlala kuMamelodi Sundowns kuma-junior ranks, even naku-Kaizer Chiefs uke wadlala laphana umfana. So congrats to him overall laphana ukuthi akwazi ukuthola amagoli. I mean that was a good combination between the two of them, ama-player weMamelodi Sundowns ayi-2 ukuthi akhombayine kahle kanjena. U-goalkeeper uzamile. Yazi I wish bathi bengizonibonisa namanye ama-save just ukuthi I don't have time kulo engibuyela ngihlanganisa lezi zinto. Nalezi yabo ngihlanganise kabi kanjani. Useyivile lo goalkeeper we-Remo Stars bafowethu. iMamelodi Sundowns ngabe ishaya amagoli amaningi kabi, useyivile. Maningi kakhulu ama-moments awaseyivile but-ke unfortunately hhayi bekungasiyo ilanga lakhe. iMamelodi Sundowns beyiyitholele yathi yashaya kakhulu-ke yathi hhayi ngeke, there's no way siniyeka abafana. I don't think uMothiba uzobashayela amagoli kakhulu kuMamelodi Sundowns. But at the same time khona igoli mani laka-Peter Shalulile la-first half, yilo leli elinye eligejekile la, ulishaye kahle kakhulu uPeter Shalulile la goli leli. I wish ngabe ngilihlipile la but unfortunately it's too late. But uPeter Shalulile nalo ushaya igoli eli-right, okwazile ukuzi-protect-a laphana, washaya igoli eligude kakhulu ukuthi akwazi overall laphana ukusiza i-team. So yiwo-ke ama-results-ke ambalwa. Ngizostopha la, ngilo ngiphindana nento eyodwa bafethu, no ngistophe la. So congratulations to iMamelodi Sundowns, baqhubeke abafana njalo bathole ama-result, bafundise nabanye ukuthi ku-attack-wa kanjani bafethu, amagoli ashaywa kanjani. Hhayi ngoba phela hhayi, danke bafethu.